Remember all of the places you used to enjoy a cigarette?
If it looks like a cigarette but doesn't smoke like one, it's probably an e-cigarette. Battery-powered electronic cigarettes act like nicotine inhalers. The maker Enjoy claims these lookalikes do not contain tobacco, don't give off smoke, but will give you all the nicotine you want. Still, that doesn't mean e-cigarettes are safe.
Nicotine is a very, very dangerous toxin. I mean, one drop of pure nicotine can stop a human being's heart instantly.
Don't take Alan Schmidt wrong. He's been smoking for about 21 years. He knows it's bad and has tried almost everything to quit.
I've tried different pills. I tried the patches.
Now he's considering trying something new and unknown.
If I can get the nicotine without destroying my lungs as badly, I'd be more than willing to do that. But at the same time, I'd really like to make sure that what I'm taking into me isn't going to do something absolutely horrible in the next 20 years.
And that's exactly what some anti-smoking advocates are fuming about.
It has not been studied by the FDA, has not been approved, so we don't know exactly what is in it. And because of that, we really can't tell people that it's a good stop smoking aid.
Experts say if you want to quit smoking, you might be better off sticking with approved methods. In Terre Haute with photojournalist Tony Casasilla, Jane Santucci, News 10.